Isabel. Welcome to our 14th property Bessemer. And boy, how many things have happened and have not happened since we last saw each other. This has turned out to be our disaster property. We all got older. Thomas started school. I went through almost an entire pregnancy. We bought a house, moved into it, sold our old house, and bought a new house to renovate, got the permits and started working on it, all while waiting to get the permits for this house. Then we have our wonderful, sweet neighbor Karen over here putting unjustified code violations against us. I went over there to ask for her to stop her hobby, holding my two children, super pregnant, thinking she's gonna take mercy in us. And sure thing, she slams the door on me. I'm like, okay, lady, you keep doing your thing. What else happened? Another thing, our astronomical budget. I thought our contractor lost his mind, so I called the architect to find out what happened. It turns out it's from a misunderstanding on the vaulted ceilings, and it went kind of like this: hey, James, do you want vaulted ceilings? Yes. Thinking it was about the master bedroom and that extension. No, it was about the main house, which means tens of thousands of dollars in expenses and delays and structural work. So make sure your team understands what you want from them before you proceed with work, because after 5 months of waiting for the permits, you're not gonna go back and change it. So we approved the budget and we moved on. Lesson learned. And let's not forget about the demo disaster. I told our contractor every day after we got the permits for the guest house that we don't have the permits for the main house and then we can't do work. Plus, a lot of our staging furniture and baby clothes, Thomas and Elizabeth clothes, were inside. So do not touch the house. Sure thing. While in Portland, we get a phone call.
It's okay. We have a problem.
All the walls were demoed and all that dust and insulation and dirt came all over our stuff. So tell that to a woman that's 8 months pregnant. Needless to say, our framing team got fired, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. Let's go inside because we did get the permits and we did some work, and I'm very excited to show it to you. We started right over here by digging the sewer line. And oh, I forgot to tell you, while digging for the sewer line, our working team broke the gas line because there are two pipes. And they didn't know which one to choose, and they chose the functioning one, of course. I mean, the disasters. Let's go in before I remember something else. Welcome inside Bessemer. As you can see, all the walls have been removed, and the framing that you still see will be also removed to make room for an open floor plan. Right over there, we have the living room and the dining room, and behind that wall will be the kitchen. And as promised, we will have vaulted ceilings here, which you remember from Khalifa. They are very beautiful and spacious. Through this door, to my right, will be the two bedrooms. One bedroom is preserved from the old property this way, and right next to it, we will put a bathroom, and the second bedroom this way, part of the extension, which also comprises the master bedroom, bathroom, master closet, and a laundry room. I believe before it was a very weird bedroom that way and an unpermitted bathroom that way. But now it will all go this way, and let's go outside and check it out. With the foundation framing complete, this is very exciting because we get to see the shapes of the room right now. Right over here, we have the walk-in closet. To my right, the laundry room. Behind me is part of the second bedroom. And right over here, over these trenches, let me see if I can do this, is the master, wait, is it this way? No, it's this way. The master bedroom. Very, very spacious. And what's even more exciting is that we get to still have a very large backyard, even with the over 500 square feet of extension, a yard that can be split between the guest house and the main house. And this way is the ADU, the guest house. The garage was in very poor shape when we bought the house. As you can see, we replaced everything except for a few 2x4s. But now it's nicely framed and ready to go. And right against this wall will be the kitchen. Behind me, the living area. The bedroom right over there with a linen closet in front of it. And this way, a bathroom with plumbing and all. A little house and it's all right. Thank you for watching our little disaster property. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And click that subscribe button and the bell. See you next time.